Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be making my super easy 3-ingredient vegan fudge. The 3 ingredients we're going to need are peanut butter, coconut oil and maple syrup. You can also add vanilla extract, but this is optional. So first step is to take a small saucepan, preferably non-stick, and add approximately 85 grams of peanut butter. (120 milliliters of maple syrup, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And finally 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Heat the pan on high and combine the ingredients until the oil and butter have melted. Be careful at this point as the mixture will become extremely hot. Once the fudge begins to boil, continuously stir until the mixture thickens. Once this happens, set the pan to one side and wait for the fudge to cool. Take a container that you can freeze the fudge in. I've decided to use a oven-proof dish. Line the dish with greaseproof paper so that we can remove the fudge later with ease. Pour the fudge onto the paper. You may need to adjust the paper so the fudge fills the dish as much as possible. Once you've done this, place your fudge into the freezer. Once the fudge is frozen, remove it from the dish and place it onto a chopping board. My fudge took approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes to harden. You can cut your fudge into any shape that you wish, but most importantly, just make sure you enjoy it. I highly recommend that you store the fudge in the fridge at all times as it melts easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for future content. You can find my social media in the links in the description, and make sure you tag me if you recreate this recipe. Bye guys.